Hi, it's Teacher Carol, and I wanted to go over something with my parents and with my students. One problem that children have when learning to read is blending the sound. They have learned the short vowel sounds, they have learned the long vowel sounds, they have learned and are learning their alphabet sounds, all of their consonants. But then to try to put the consonant with the vowel, they have a hard time because they've not been doing that. So we have to have them blend it. Okay. Our vowel sounds are short vowel, a, 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 apple, e, 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 elephant, I, 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 igloo, o, o, ostrich, uh, uh, umbrella. So they've learned that sound. A, I, uh. But now the teacher says, I want you to put a consonant with that. So we add the letter L. And L says, ooh, ooh, ooh. L says, ooh, ooh. Lamb, leg, light, lush. Okay, we want them to get the L sound with the vowel, short vowel sound. So to do that, we're going to go ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, la, la, la. Very good. And then we're going to come down to the next one. Ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, la, la. Very good. Now we're going to go ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, ooh, eh, le, le, le. Very good. Then ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, la, la, la. Very good. Then we have ooh, 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 la, la, la. Then we come back and we say, all right, I don't want you to sound it out in your head, but only give me what the consonant and the vowel say together. Say the rest in your head. So in their head, they should be going, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. But they don't say it with their lips. And they'll look at you and they'll go, la. Very good, la. And then they're going to, in their heads, they're going to be going, oh, but it doesn't come out with their lips. And then they're going to go, la. Very good. And then they're going to say in their head, la, e, la, e, la, e, but not with their lips. and they're going to go le, le. And then they're going to do ooh, ah, but it's in their head, not with their lips. And they're going to go la. And then they're going to go la, in their head, but not with their lips. They're going to go la, la. And they have learned how to blend. And then we're going to go down the board quicker. La, le, le, la, la. Let's go faster. La, le, le, la, la. Can we do it faster? La, le, li, la, la. 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 We can even do that with singing and go la, le, li, la, la. La, le, li, la, la. La, le, li, la, la. Li, la, la. Li, la, la. Very good. They're learning how to blend. So parents, you can use this and work with your child on blending. And we'll do some more blending later. Bye.